Hey guys, it's Adam from Tested, and I have a couple of boxes to open for both your and my pleasure. These are boxes from one of my favorite places, Prop Store of London. These are boxes of some parts from the auction that's happening right now on Warcraft. I have not seen what's in them, but I can't wait. So I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to crack them and see what they contain. Here we go. I know that I get some complaints for using my knife to cut down the center, but what I have started doing is depth gauging with my thumb and slowly pulling all the way across. There we go. All right, let's see. Lots of peanuts. What do we got? Ooh, feels weaponry like. Oh, yeah. Looks like it could be a sword. Okay. Okay, this is also built by our friends at Weta Workshop. And this is a stunt sword. So it's made of hard plastic, or sort of a soft plastic, hard rubber. Yeah, this is really awesome. Looks like it's a heavy steel thing. It is in fact very safe. This is actually like ready for LARPing. All right, sword number one. I believe that this costume is a member of the Alliance of the Humans from Warcraft. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take a look at it first, and then I'll reveal it to you. Dude. Okay, hold on. I gotta get some stuff out of the way so you can properly enjoy this. And here it comes. Bomb. Look at that! It's a lion! You don't know this, but I actually really love lions. Like, it's one of my favorite heraldry symbols. That is amazing. Look at that. Dude. What's really impressive about this is that the lion symbol genuinely looks like it's steel polished by dozens of battles. And it is weighty, to be sure, because it's got a lot of structure to it, but it's incredibly light for what it looks like. It looks like it weighs 50 pounds, and it maybe weighs 10. Even on the back, the leather work is worn, beautifully done, feels like, well, so I guess it's worn like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, right. So you'd hold this in your left hand. Oh yeah, nice. Well, this is really cool, right? It pivots off the elbow, so I can hold it at my side like this, but I'm not doing any work to hold it like this because it's kind of resting on my elbow. That's kind of a neat feature. So you hold it like this. Whoa. That wasn't important. Okay, so we have a sword and a shield. What do you want to bet there's some armor in this box? Let's find out. Okay, time to open the big box. Holy cow, it's heavy. Yep, lots of peanuts. Oh, first up, ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful... I'm kind of moved by how beautiful this is. I'm sorry, like I know I'm also doing a piece to camera, but I just paused for a second because holy hell. I mean, normally we get close-ups, but however beautiful this is on camera to you, it's twice as beautiful in person. I've seen some pieces from this film in the hallways at Weta, but right up close, man, it's incredible. Oh, I love the big Ziploc bags. Let's pull these out one by one. Oh, clearly some van braces. Oh, wow. Oh. I'm making all the sounds. I'm gonna dive in and just make sure I've got everything. Here we go. Oh. That's the COA. Oh, there is more. Oh, soft parts. Oh. Chainmail. Ow. Just bumped my head. That's everything. Where do I start? Okay, I'm gonna start with the soft parts. We have some pants, in keeping with the blue theme of the lion shield. There's some pants, there's a tunic that zips up. Can't tell if that's the back or the front, but I believe it's probably the back. Okay. I love these big Ziploc baggies. In case you were wondering, this is where I store my Ziploc baggies. Oh man, a full metal chainmail shirt. Oh no, it's aluminum. Wow. I have not seen chainmail of this quality before. These are really, really lovely rings of textured aluminum. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, okay. These look like tassets. I'm so freaking blown away by this. No way. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are tassets. This is the belt. Wait. How does this work? Yeah, like this. Wait, there we go. Dude, I think I'm just gonna wear this around because this is like cool. So this is the other thing about a shop like Weta when they make stuff like this. They have so much institutional memory from the Lord of the Rings films that they know how to make things both lightweight, look aesthetically beautiful, and also work mechanically perfectly. That's really remarkable. So there's one cauldron, and here's the other, clearly. Ooh, it's slightly different, right? Yeah, two different sides. So this is, wait a second, one of these is left and one of these is right. This is the right, and this is the left. Okay. I was right, vambrace there. This is clearly a cuirass. Right. This is beautiful. Wow, there's actually some film goo on here from some sort of monster battle. These pieces are also made using a really specific and cool process, which is a spray polyurethane truck bed liner. It's incredibly durable, incredibly lightweight, and you can cycle an incredible number of parts per day out of a single mold. So clearly, this is the back and this is the front. Okay. I'm gonna save you for later because I know what's in there. And then I've got some feet here. Oh, I guess I don't have upper arms. I guess I go from shoulders. Oh yeah, right. Okay, so if this is like this, yeah, and the vambrace goes there, I already have the upper arms. Okay, cool. Dude, these are some going out on the town boots. Look at that. Stands upright on its own, it does. Yeah. I am so blown away. This is, like I said, I've seen pieces from this film in the hallways at Weta a couple of times now, but I still had no idea just how beautiful this work was up close and personal. Oh, there's one more thing. I mean, obviously I'm going to put this on. That's how this video is going to end, but there are gauntlets. And gauntlets, it's one of my things. It's one of the things that I'm totally obsessed with, gauntlets. Oh, look at that. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, there we go. Deuteronomy. All right, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna get dressed. Oh my God. This thing is amazing. All right. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Shields ready. Wait, yeah, like that. Sword ready. Ah, look at that. Dude, this is some fine costume work from one of the finest costume shops in the world. I am so proud to add this to my collection. Ah, let's go fight! Oh, man! Look at that! This is... I've said this many times before, but right at this moment, I'd love to show a picture of this to 10-year-old me. What am I talking about? I am 10-year-old me right at this second. Dude, what an unbelievable thing. Oh, man, I tell you, I've been wearing this thing for now about an hour while we've been filming it, and while it is incredibly lightweight, it's as light as they could have made it, it's still a testament to how much work stunt people do in suits and costumes like this. Thank you, Prop Store, for sending this. It's amazing. This is the latest addition to my costume collection, and Prop Store's auction of props and costumes from Warcraft is going on right now. Get yours today! Ah! Sometimes I wear a small part of a costume out in public. It's like secret cosplay, not so anyone would notice. I mean, I don't think that's very noticeable. Time to go out to dinner.